Hello everyone. My name is Wendell Jude Babayanon, BPED Section 1. Today, we're going to talk about a critical issue facing our planet, which is the global warming. Global warming is a long-term heating of Earth's climate system observed since the pre-industrial period between 1850 and 1900s. Due to human activities, primary fossil fuel burning, which increases heat trapping greenhouse levels in Earth's atmosphere. Cause of global warming. The primary cause of global warming is the emission of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. Here are some key contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. Fossil fuel burning coal, oil, and natural gas for electricity. Transportation and industrial processes releases large amounts of carbon dioxide. Deforestation. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When forests are cut down or burned, this carbon is released back into the atmosphere. Agriculture. Livestock farming and agricultural practices like rice cultivation release methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Global warming has a far-reaching consequences for our planet and its inhabitants. Rising sea levels. As a global temperature rise, glaciers and ice sheets melt, causing sea levels to rise. This threatens coastal communities and low-lying islands. Extreme weather events. Global warming leads to more frequent and intense heat waves, drought, floods, and storms. Ecosystem changes. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns disrupt ecosystems, impacting plant and animal life. Human health impacts. Extreme heat can lead to heat stroke and other health problems. Solutions to combat global warming. We can't ignore this challenge. We must take action to mitigate global warming and protect our planet. Here are some solutions. Transition to renewable energy. Investing in renewable energy resources like solar, wind, and hydropower can reduce the reliance on fossil fuels. Energy efficiency. By improving energy efficiency in our homes, businesses, and transportation systems, we can reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Forest conservation and reforestation. Protecting existing forests and planting new trees can help absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Sustainable agriculture. Adopting sustainable agriculture practices can reduce methane emission and improve soil health. Policy changes. Governments can implement policies to promote renewable energy, reduce emissions, and support sustainable practices. Conclusion. Global warming is a serious threat to our planet, but it's not too late to act. By understanding the cause, effects, and solutions, we can all apply a role in mitigating global warming and create a more sustainable future. That's all, and thank you for listening. Bye-bye.